Zika, your single source since 1950 for quality, selection, reliability, and fast delivery. We want to congratulate you for buying a combined TIG AC/DC 200 machine, which combines argon gas shielded welding for welding of both stainless steel and aluminum. Thank you for choosing Zika. Before we start, take a few minutes to read and understand the operating and safety instructions of the device. Please wear your safety and protective equipment before starting to work. The kit contains the AC/DC 200 TIG welding machine, cable and handle number 26 for welding of rods and handle accessories, electrode holder, earth clamp and 1.5 meter cable, a gas tube. Let's get to know the machine. 2 indicator lamps are located on the machine. A warning lamp for overheating or another failure on the machine. If it is lit, allow the machine to cool down and try again after about 15 minutes. If this does not solve the problem, take it to a Zika lab technician. The other indicator lamp turns on when the power is supplied to the machine. If this indicator lamp does not turn on, check the power supply to the machine. There are 5 controls on the front panel. Pre-flow control to adjust the gas supply time before the arc ignites. It is very important to prevent the ingress of undesired gas to ensure high-quality welding. Post-flow control to adjust the gas supply time at the end of welding. Keep the handle close to the welding area until the gas supply is stopped to prevent the ingress of undesired gases. Downslope, which allows gradual current decrease at the end of welding. Welding control is used to set the desired flow. Balance control is used to set the pulse size for aluminum welding and balance the cleaning and penetration of the oxide layer onto the aluminum. There are 4 additional switches. AC/DC switch to select between direct current and alternating current welding. A switch for selecting between manual welding mode and foot pedal controlled welding. A TIG MMA switch. MMA for electrode welding, or TIG for argon gas shielded welding. T2, T4 switch. T2 mode is used for wire welding in normal state, which is activated by pressing the microswitch and stopped by releasing the microswitch. T4 mode is designated for welding a long seam with no need to continuously press the microswitch on the handle. The following connections are available at the bottom of the panel. Negative connector. Gas connection for argon gas handle. MIG handle connector. Foot pedal connection and positive connector. First, connect the argon gas regulator to the cylinder and secure with a suitable wrench. Then connect the one end of the gas tube to the regulator and secure with a band. Connect the other end to the gas inlet on the machine and secure with a band. Now, connect the power cable connector, which allows gas flow from the handle to the corresponding connector on the machine. Next, connect the earth connection handle to the negative connector and tighten. Mount a suitable clamp on the welding handle inside the clamp housing, which is supplied of 1.6 or 2.4 mm in diameter. In this case, we use a 2.4 mm clamp. Now screw the nozzle and insert the tungsten electrode with the painted part at the back of the handle. There are several types of tungsten electrodes. Red for stainless steel welding, green for aluminum welding, and gray, which is fit for almost all metal types. Remember, it is very important to use an electrode type which fits the metal type in order to ensure good welding quality. Now, hold the electrode end as it protrudes by about 8 mm beyond the nozzle and screw the guide to the back of the handle. Tighten well. Now insert the plug into a standard 220-volt socket and switch on the machine. Please note, packaging labels are attached to each electrode, which contain instructions for the connection of the welding handle to the negative or positive connector, as can be seen, for example, on a Zika 316 electrode. The welding handle is connected to the positive connector, and the earth connection handle is connected to the negative connector. In the case of Zika 11, the welding handle is connected to the negative connector, and the earth connection handle is connected to the positive connector. Now, select MMA mode for electrode welding. Insert the plug into a standard 220-volt socket and switch on the machine. Please note, if after all of the above steps no arc is formed, insert the plug into another socket and switch the machine on again. Now you are ready to weld. The operating instructions contain recommended welding data to ensure you get the best welding performance from your machine. Make sure to follow these steps in order to enjoy high-quality and professional electrode welding and TIG welding. And to see the rest of our products, please visit zika-welding.com.